Today you will learn the basics of using Genesys Softphone inside your Salesforce CRM. Here you are already logged into your Salesforce CRM, and at the bottom you will see the Genesys Softphone. Click on this to expand the view of the Softphone. This is where you will see the interactions you have with customers from a variety of channels that you have connected to in your Genesys account. Click on the hamburger menu icon to view the Softphone menu options. To ensure you are in queue, click on the More button. Click on the queue activation button to ensure you are ready to take calls. Looks like you're ready to take calls, so let's get started. A call is coming in. You can see that your Salesforce record has activated the user record in Salesforce. Click on the script icon and you will see on your other monitor the script located in Genesys is now loading. Drag this script into your main window. The customer is calling to get a copy of their boarding pass. As you can see, their flight is delayed 2 hours. Toggle back over to the Salesforce and click on the phone icon to greet the caller. Thank them for calling ABC Airlines. Express empathy for the delay and inform them that you will send over a copy of their boarding pass to their email on file.
Thank you for calling ABC Airlines. I apologize for the delay.
Don't forget to let them know you are sending their boarding pass to their email on file. Try that again.
Thank you for calling ABC Airlines. I apologize that your flight is delayed. I will send your boarding pass to the email address on file.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Ask if there is anything else you can assist them with.
Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
No, that's all I need for now.
Click on the phone hang-up icon. The wrap-up code screen will appear. Select Information Request from the wrap-up code options and then click the Done button. I don't think you selected the right wrap-up code. Try that again. Click on the Interactions icon to make notes of this call and then click on the phone icon to get ready for your next call. Nice work. Now minimize your Softphone to review where this actions for this call are stored in your Salesforce record. To see where this activity is stored, slide the scroll bar on the right side until you see the activity timeline. You can see your call was recorded. Click on the hyperlink of the top item to view your notes. You will see the notes you entered from the call here in the comments section. Click on the customer name to get back to your main screen. If you wish to have the Softphone float on the top of your Salesforce, click on the expand icon. This will allow you to move the Softphone around to another monitor. The Softphone also connects to any channel the customer may be using. Here we can see that Miss Smith reached out to us via X. You can reply to her message by clicking on the X direct message button. This will load up my Genesys screen on my other monitor. Drag this screen over to your main monitor. To view the full conversation, I can expand this window to interact with the customer in my social chat window. This will allow you to fully interact via chat in this channel with the customer. This completes your introductory lesson with how to use the Genesys Softphone in Salesforce.